Hey, you.
Who, me?
Yeah, you. Do you like to break your neck after landing on it?
No.
Of course you don't. So don't do this. Don't open your flips early, or this'll happen.
Also, remember to tuck on your flips or else this will happen.
If you're more experienced and don't want to tuck when doing a flip, make sure you're higher and spinning fast enough.
Or if you want to do a front flip and you don't want to tuck, make sure you go fast enough just the other way.
Good job.
Tuck when doing a cork, or this'll happen. That's not good. If you don't tuck, this is how it might come out.
Oh.